I'm Marina. I did my eyebrow transplant about 6 months ago. Before I did the transplant, my eyebrow was almost non-existent. It's very fine line and not many hair available for me to be confident with myself going out without any eyebrow pencil. So I did quite a lot of research on how to overcome this problem, and I came across a few clinics in Malaysia that provide this kind of service, and I decided to go with Glojas because of the experience of the doctor, Dr. Jaz, and also his expertise in SMART FUE, whereby only in his clinics is available in Malaysia. So after I had the consultation with him, it was very convincing for me to proceed with the procedure because of his experience, and I was confident that I would get the result that I wanted. So after the procedure, about 6 months, this is the result. This is before, whereby almost no eyebrow available, and this is after 6 months, whereby I was very happy with it, and I could go out without any worry about my eyebrow being not visible to other people or look weird. And I was very happy with the result because I could boost my self-confidence, and with very minimal maintenance, I could be very confident with the natural eyebrow that can be shown to everyone outside.